Introducing the MTS-Series, the heavy-duty metal sander designed for precision and performance. Engineered for excellence, the MTS-Series delivers superior results for stainless steel, number 3, number 4, and HL metal finishing and polishing applications. With brilliant engineering capability, we bring extensive experience and advanced technology to your sanding jobs, ensuring the perfect match for your application needs. From stainless steel to aluminum, titanium, and copper, the MTS-Series is built to handle a variety of metal plates and components. Whether it's surface grinding, polishing, rust removal, or deburring, this machine is the ultimate solution for your finishing needs. Equipped with industry-leading features, the MTS-Series is available in 600, 900, and 1300 millimeter working widths, with configurations that include double, triple, or 4 rollers. Its user-friendly digital readout control panel ensures precision, while 4 lifting poles provide stable performance. The variable feed motor and precision conveyor tracking enhance efficiency, and safety features such as disc brakes and an emergency stop bar ensure secure operation. For added customization, the MTS-Series offers a range of optional features, including wet or dry sanding systems, inverter-controlled feed and sanding speeds, brush integration for enhanced finishing, roller conveyor tables, and a wet sanding circulation system. Designed to deliver power, precision, and performance, the MTS-Series is the perfect solution for all your metal sanding needs.